Hey, I'm Aditya, the founder of Limeblock, and today I want to just show you one of the superpowers within Limeblock, which is committing in-app API actions. So we're going to show you an example of how Limeblock uses Limeblock to execute such API actions. So if you want to create your API endpoint tree, it might be a little bit annoying to fill out all of these fields for your endpoint. But Limeblock's AI can do this for you by using Limeblock's chat widget. So if I click on the chat widget here and I tell it to do an action, and let's just say I add a tester endpoint called, let's just say, join newsletter to my API endpoint tree, and I send it to Limeblock. So under the hood, what this will do is it'll send this prompt. And since I called do action, it'll try finding an action to commit within these API endpoint trees and then figure out the best one to execute. And inside of Limeblock, there is, if I pop out this chat widget here and edit this API endpoint tree has specific instructions to not delete or edit existing endpoints until specified by the user. And then it also gives example prompts so the AI can more properly figure out when to hit this endpoint. And then we have required context parameters in order to make sure that the AI has enough info to correctly execute this endpoint. And then we just give it an example schema of what this endpoint should be sending and receiving. So after all that, the AI will try to find this endpoint, and it did. Update backend API endpoints. So we're going to confirm this action, and then Limeblock will send it to the URL that we provided here. And just like that, join newsletter has been successfully added. So if we refresh the page, we should see that it's added it to the new folder, join newsletter. Just like that, now we have all of this set up just for us, easy as that in seconds. Now, you can add this to absolutely anything. We've added Limeblock within Limeblock because of how useful it is and how much time it can save for our users. And it's up to your imagination on how you use Limeblock to continue to use AI to save times for your own users. Again, thank you for watching this video and looking at Limeblock. And if you have any questions or you have any feedback for me, please feel free to reach out at baijuaditya@gmail.com or just connect with me on LinkedIn. And yet again, thank you for your time and have a good rest of your day.